That was a nice thunderstorm we had. Lots of lightning we saw. I didn't know it was going to be a little storm today, but special day today because I think it's the winter solstice. So that means that it sunsets pretty early, and we get a shorter day. Yeah, it's a special day indeed. You can see a bit of a lightning show happening just here. But yeah, it's still going. But anyways, I'll wrap it up for now. Good that we have a little storm because it's been 2 months since we had our last storm. I mean, except for the failed ones we had at the starting of June because there wasn't much lightning involved. Bit of thunder though. Anyways, hopefully we will get another winter storm. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a good night.